Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking all about decorating with florals for spring. There's something about adding floral touches around your home that instantly makes everything feel fresh, bright, and welcoming, and I'm so excited to share some creative and simple ways you can do just that. Whether you're a fan of fresh flowers, love a good faux floral, or want to incorporate floral patterns in unexpected ways, I've got you covered. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's dive in. One of the easiest and most impactful ways to bring florals into your home is through wall art. You can find beautiful floral prints in so many different styles, from bold and colorful botanicals to soft, vintage-inspired florals. Consider choosing lightweight, framed or unframed art that's easy to swap out seasonally, without heavy lifting. You could even use command hooks for easy hanging. Another simple and budget-friendly way to bring florals into your home is with textiles like throw pillows, table linens, and even bedding. Floral pillows instantly brighten a sofa, and a soft floral quilt can give your bedroom a beautiful seasonal refresh. When mixing floral patterns, try pairing a large-scale floral with a small-scale floral or a solid color to keep the look balanced and cohesive. One of my favorite things to do every spring is to buy fresh flowers from the grocery store and create my own arrangements. It's such a simple way to add instant beauty to your home, and you don't need to be a professional florist to do it. Look for a mix of different textures, like roses, tulips, and greenery, and don't be afraid to experiment. Arrange them in a simple glass vase or even a pretty pitcher for a relaxed, natural look. To keep your flowers fresher longer, trim the stems at an angle and change the water every couple of days. You'll get about a week or more of beauty from your bouquet. If you love a good DIY project, creating pressed flower art is such a special and personal touch for your home. Simply gather some fresh flowers, press them between the pages of a book, and frame them once they're dried. It's a lovely way to preserve some of your favorite blooms. But if a DIY project isn't your thing, don't worry. You can often find pressed flower art at thrift stores, vintage shops, or antique markets. Many of these pieces have a lovely aged charm and feel like little treasures from the past, perfect for adding character to your space. I'm a big fan of using faux florals in hard-to-reach places, like on high shelves, ledges, or hanging wreaths. The great thing about faux flowers is that you get long-lasting beauty without any maintenance. And nowadays, faux florals look so realistic, you can hardly tell the difference. If you're arranging faux florals in a vase, try mixing in a few real greenery stems to give them a more natural, fresh appearance. And here's a little fun fact I love. Did you know that flowers have meanings? It's called the language of flowers, and it's such a sweet way to add intention to your decor. For example, tulips often symbolize love and cheerfulness. Daisies represent purity and innocence. And roses? Well, we know they often symbolize love, but did you know different colors have different meanings? Yellow roses symbolize friendship. While pink roses mean admiration. So the next time you bring flowers into your home, you can choose ones that hold a special meaning for you. I love this quote from Edwin Curran. "Flowers are the music of the ground, from Earth's lips, spoken without sound." Here are a few more beautiful spaces to help inspire you to add florals to your home this spring. So there you have it. Simple, beautiful ways to decorate with florals for spring. I hope you found some inspiration today and feel excited to bring a little bit of spring into your home. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite way to decorate with florals? Do you love fresh flowers, or are you more of a faux floral fan? I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more decorating inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating, and I'll see you soon.